Okay, everybody, this is Mike Rohan out here in my backyard. It's crazy out. Look how much snow. It's kind of like a blizzard right here. Patio. Try to work my way around the front. Look at my feet. Kind of covered in this joint right here. It's crazy out. It's pretty, but it's crazy. Oh. Yeah. It's in Jersey. I'm at home right now. Getting ready to try to look at my shed. It's kind of covered. And let me see if I can go here. Open my backyard door. And, whoa. Stuck. I gotta try to open the door. Because my house door, some people never believe me. When I tell them that it snows so much that I can't get out of the backyard. I'm trying to open the gate, but the snow, look at that. Let's see if I can open it. Little tables back here. This is what you call winter. It's crazy out here. So, making an attempt to dig out the backyard, which I just did. The side of the house. Look at this snow. It's unbelievable. My phone, my flip don't get messed up. Cars stuck. And look how much snow is out here. My neighbor's out here shoveling. Probably think I'm crazy. It's a tough snow out here today. It's the house. It's kind of crazy out. It's kind of crazy out here today. Oh, you got your driveway done. You got your driveway done.
Yeah, you know what? Gotta be done in increments.
Unbelievable. I'm just still coming down. I'm just recording it right now because I can't believe it's snowing this bad out here right now. So I gotta try.
It's the first you have this snow since you live here, right?
It's been bad. It's been bad.
This is the first for you.
No, it's not.
Yeah?
No.
This is the third one then.
This is the bad one right here.
The bad one.
This is what they call a very bad one. Look how much snow is out here. I gotta try to get my cards out. A Christmas tree on my property looks pretty good. Looks kind of pretty out, to be honest with you, but it's snowing real bad. So I'm gonna go and try to shovel. Peace. Yeah. So just hold on and take it. They got this pointing at me.
Watch my daddy.
Okay, this is what we're doing. Taping. Blizzard. 2010. We out here in the middle of the house. It's just crazy out here today.
Here's a preview.
I'm trying to get some of the snow done. But it's looking crazy out here today. Snow is just it's crazy. Take a look at how deep it is over here. Take a picture of it.
Whoa. Check it out.
We're gonna sign it out.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. These two ain't shoveling. They're not really doing nothing but playing around. They don't really know what. They don't really know what. You know. Go in that part right there. See how deep it is. See. It's pretty deep right there.
Super deep.
Trying to dig out. Alright, yeah. Y'all gonna have to help. Y'all gonna have to help shovel a little bit.
No, I'll do it. You can play.